Alright guys, so my side marker lights finally came in from Malaysia. These were $2 and something odd cents a piece. I've already removed one and replaced it on the left side. And so I had told y'all earlier I bought 2 ambers and 2 reds. These ambers are going to go in perfectly in place of the back of my Commander as a turn signal. So 3 wires, so you got a ground. Blue gives you a parking light, and red gives you your stoplight. And so, for purposes here, this is how quick these are going to change out. You literally can change these out in the back in probably less than 3 minutes a piece. Let's just, I think that's like an 8 mil here. Save these for another project, you never know. This happens to be a 10 mil on this one. So all I'm going to need to do, measure up about a ½ an inch from that hole, drill a second hole. That's simple. And this is how quick you have lit side markers in the back of your Maverick X3. In, done, and working. So what I'm going to do is I'll be using the blue wires from both. That's going to give me the lower setting. I don't want them too bright, but they're awfully bright even with the blue setting, with the parking light setting. So there we are. We're done. That's simple. So what I'll be doing is I'll be running these and I will be encapsulating the wires and what have you. I'll run them up in here out of the way and then run them down one side. So since these are side marker lights, they're going to be on one zone, so I can combine the blues, combine the blacks, and then I'm going to use a single 2-wire weatherproof connector. Why would I use a weatherproof connector back here? You can get these real cheap for less than $1 a piece when you buy them in bulk. Now when I need to take this off to get to something, I don't have to have a bunch of extra wire. I just disconnect, waterproof connections, and I've got the back off. And so that's going to run up to where I'm going to tie into my turn signal add-ons as well. So as you can see, I'm done. I'm basically, that was the hard part, and that was, what, 3 minutes aside? So, guys, if y'all want to see the link to this, let me know, and I'll post a link to it, to these units. As cheap as they are, I'm probably going to buy a couple more of each color. I mean, for 10 bucks, I got 4 more, or $9 and something, to add to another project. And again, they could be used as stop/turn signals on something, emergency flashers on whatever. So I'll post, if y'all would like, a link to that on eBay. Wait for them to come in. I think these took almost 30 days or about 3 weeks to come in. It took a while, but worth the wait because they are absolutely perfect for what I'm going to be using for. They fit right in factory. I'll update you as I finish up the balance of this turn signal kit. I'm still waiting for a part to come in locally for a turn signal switch that I hope will work better than what I was going to do. I'll give you an update on that at the end of the week or the beginning of next week, depending on whether or not I get out of town and go riding. Thanks for watching, and as usual, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. I'll keep these coming. Please like, please share, and have a great evening, folks. Thanks again.